Hello dear students, I have already sent you the video of lesson 1 civics, our constitution. The summary I have given you in previous video. So today I am going to give you short question answers that is given in page 125. But before that you have to read the lesson properly according to the syllabus you read. It is given in page 122. Definition of constitution, date of adoption, date of enforcement and its significance. So you read from your book, and after that the question answer part you will do. But I will give you the answers. Open page 125, short answer questions. Question number 1. What is meant by the term constitution? Answer. Constitution is a comprehensive legal document that declares the basic laws to govern the country. It is bound on all the citizens. So if any spelling mistake or there is any error, then you can make it correct. Okay? Then question number 2. It is in page 125. You take out your book and open that page. Question number 2. On the basis of which plan was the Constituent Assembly constituted? On the basis of the Cabinet Mission Plan, the Constituent Assembly constituted. Then question number 3. What is known as the objective resolution? The resolution which highlighted the objectives and laid down the national goals when the Constituent Assembly started the work of drafting the constitution. Okay? Then question number 4 also given in page 126. You open 126 now, so that we will do question number 2. So the answer, a question is, by whom was the objective resolution proposed? Answer. The objective resolution was proposed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Then question number 5. Who was appointed as the chairman of the drafting committee of the constitution? Answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the drafting committee of the constitution. Then question number 6. When was the constitution adopted and passed? Answer. The constitution was adopted and passed on November 26, 1949. Then question number 7. When did the constitution come into force? Answer. The constitution came into force from January 26, 1950. Then last question, question number 8. Why was January 26 chosen for the commencement of the constitution? So answer. January 26 was chosen for the commencement of the constitution as this date had been celebrated annually in India as Independence Day. Ever since the famous resolution regarding complete independence of the country was passed by the Indian National Congress at its Lahore session in December 1929. The first Independence Day was celebrated on 26 January 1930. From 1930 onwards, every year the nationalists renewed their pledge on 26th January. Okay? You read nicely the lesson and also listen carefully these answers so that it will be understood by you. So, you read once or twice also. Okay? If there is any doubt, then we can clarify. I can clarify your doubt when you will come to school. Okay, thank you.